Hello. So, it is Friday 9 o'clock, and tomorrow I go to one of these do-it-yourself event thingies, which is really nice. I, for a while, thought, well, I might not be going because I didn't have any time to make something, and then in the end, of course, I decide I do want to go, but don't have something new, or at least, not completely by the way, so I have to make something. So it is, for some it is the same panel, but not with the modifications. Still, I have to redo them to make them better. But still, it's worth a try, or at least it's nice to take them with me. But I do have to change all kinds of stuff. So I have to do it last minute. I thought about making a filter from scratch, but I'm not gonna do that. So yeah, I have to add a few connectors because I'm gonna use them actively, but I don't want to use like I do at home, clips and alligator clips and such. So I'm probably gonna add maybe a connector here and here. I never drilled this material without a CNC, to be honest. I'm not sure how well or how nicely you can accurately drill. So we'll see. Probably not, I guess. But is this going anywhere? This is going somewhere. So I labeled the things because it was weird. Apparently some of the wires are, I don't know, I didn't connect them right. I don't have to unscrew this actually. I'm not gonna unscrew this. So, there you go. I just have to desolder them. This is black, and this one should be black in the end. So this one can stay. This is not doing anything. Ow, fuck. But that's okay. I can remove this cap, this crappy cap. I don't need that one. Just gonna cut it out. I might actually just unscrew the whole coil because I'm not gonna use it anyways. That's what I'm gonna do. Now the question is this the correct bit? No, of course not. Uh-oh. Where are my torques? So I don't have enough terminals, I noticed. So I have to remove some of the mini monitors because, well, it's weird. 6 terminals is not a normal amount. So not sure what happened there. But I lost some. So we don't need these. They can go. Ow. And I marked them. So this is the plus of either the tweeter or the woofer. I'm not sure yet which one is which, and this is also plus. I already corrected it for having a 12 dB per octave filter, so one is swapped. I'm gonna use the first terminals I ever used as the base for the base. But first I'm gonna mark here where the other terminals are gonna sit. I think that's quite hard to drill nicely. use this ring. I think left is a nice spot for minus. Oh, I cut a piece off. That's nice, but that means that I have to do that again, which is not so nice. I know what I'll do. No, I have to cut it off. Now I remember, that was an annoying task. I hate using the grinder. Okay, well, I'll do that right now because it's gonna make a lot of noise, and it's I'm pretty sure it's gonna be late this night, so I'm gonna grind off all these parts. Poor old things. Quite a strong one. Okay, so I got my binding posts. When I think of it, I cut them down and I cannot use them anymore in my wooden box. So planar magnetic speakers it is for the coming month until I order some new connectors. They're not really that expensive, but I should buy some more of these. They're pretty much very nice and handy. So I'm gonna like grind them down. Yeah, I thought this would never work, but I hope this is not too short. Nah, that's perfect. You know these kind of things, and you can like cut all thread, but really, M5 is quite big to cut, I think. That's M4 hole, I guess. Here, you really have to like... But it is possible. Isn't that amazing? You can just cut this in half. Yeah. All three next to the bin. Ah, this glass wool is itching already. I said left will be minus, so yeah. The only downside of using this kind of tool is that you screw up the threads. And I'm not gonna clean them up. I'm just gonna force this knot on and then it's clean. Not completely right. I mean, this one should be a little bit this way, but if I'm never gonna use it active anyway, so I will make a new batch. Just forcing some new threads on there, I hope. or strip it. One of the two. Okay, we got our terminals. That's nice. I'll save these screws. Or, what is it? Bolts. No. Nuts. Jesus. These nuts. So this one is for the other speaker. And I should have another one. A plus. There it is. Well, gonna empty my phone first.